Alright, so you're going to want to pick out a really good rock. This is going to be your friend. So, I think that rock will do. Yep, that one. So I'm going to pick that up. I now have my rock. So I'm going to take it inside. So once you've walked inside with your pet rock, you want to draw a face on it. So just put it down on the table, grab a Sharpie, and then get drawing its face. So you can draw your face however you want it, but I'm going to draw mine to be happy. So I'm going to draw, an eye, and an eye, and a little mouth on him. He's going to be a happy rock. So once you've drawn your face on it, it needs to be potty trained, so you're going to have to take it outside. So let's go. Take it outside. It's outside. All right. So you're going to want to potty train it out here because that's why. It'll have accidents. So you're just going to pick it up and put it in the grass. Just let it do its thing. It'll do it. Alright, so now that your rock is done going to the bathroom, you can pick it up, and set it down in the grass. We're going to play a little game with it. It's called Fetch. So, you're just going to pick up a stick and throw it. And then tell the rock to go fetch. It's not fetching. But, that's the point of a pet rock. You're going to have to put some care in. Alright, so now that you're done playing with your pet rock, you're just going to want to take it inside. It's probably tired and hungry. So we're going to teach you how to feed your pet rock. Alright, so you've got your pet rock inside, and pet rock's favorite food is actually raisins. So grab some raisins. Alright, so as you can see, pet rock will love raisins. Watch, he'll eat them. See? He's eating them. He's enjoying them. Look at that, he ate all those raisins. Alright, so now that your pet rock has had a good meal of 2 raisins, you're probably gonna need to take him to his bed. Now, pet rocks, they'll sleep on almost anything that is soft, so you're just gonna want to take him into your living room, and I just put him on my carpet. So you just, put him on the carpet, or a couch, or your bed, or a tissue, and he'll go to sleep. Wait for it, he'll go to sleep. There he goes, yep. So he's having a good night's rest, and you feel good about yourself because you just successfully lasted 1 day taking care of a pet rock.